Good morning friends. Today it's 18th of September 2025 and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty for intraday and short-term time frame is as follows. Yesterday we witnessed a much awaited US Fed cut rates by 25 bips, setting the target range between 4% and 4.2%. Even new Governor Miran pushed for a deeper 50 bips cut in near future. As an outcome, dollar index slipped down below $96, and keeping note of the ongoing micro and macro factors, the equity market are expected to remain buy on dip. Nifty 50 continued with its up move in line with expectations and is heading towards the mentioned potential midterm target zone of 25,350-550 spot levels. As per the price study, the bias remains range to up over and above immediate intraday supports of 25,200, expecting Nifty 50 spot to test the highs of 25,550-600 zone soon. The momentum is strong and thus we need to play with the ongoing trend, maintaining stops on close. Nifty 50 index can be looked for contra trading short bets at around 25,550-600 zone, keeping a strict stop over and above 25,650 levels for a day or two. Retracement and retesting of supports from those resistance levels will definitely be looked for fresh trading long bets. Net trading over and above 25,200 mark on a shorter time frame. The initial target come resistance for the index will be close to around 25,550, where we can expect some kind of pause and contra trading bet opportunities, but gradually any kind of dips will be looked for fresh long bets, expecting index to head higher towards new highs. On midterm time frame, as mentioned yesterday, the index has entered into a new trading zone of 24,800 and 26,200 levels with buy on dip outlook, and immediate silver line between bulls and bears will be around 25,000 mark. So 24,800 and 26,200 for Nifty 50 will be looked as a new trading zone for next few weeks, expecting a buy on dip and expecting the index to head higher towards the previous highs. Bank Nifty, which ended last session on a firm note just under immediate mentioned hurdle of 55,500, closing was at 55,493. It is expected to open on a positive note today and can attempt towards the highs of 55,850 plus levels, which will be intraday resistance come contra trading short bets. Positionally, if we see, Bank Nifty also remains buy on dip with over and above 54,500 mark, and once it sustains above 55,500-600 zone, the index will be open towards the highs of 56,500 and higher levels. We are expecting that there can be some kind of pause around these mentioned levels, especially Nifty spot around 25,550-600 levels, and Bank Nifty close to around 55,850-56,000 zone. Pause and any kind of retracement will definitely provide a better risk reward ratio for going long. So the outlook remains buy on dip. For the day today, Nifty futures, which ended last session at 25,423 levels, the potential trading zone can be 25,320 and 25,550. Buy on dip outlook towards 25,380 and 25,280 levels, keeping a stop of 50 points, while intraday high risk contra traders can look for 25,550 and 25,610 levels as a selling level, keeping a stop of 100 points. In respect with Bank Nifty futures, which ended last session at 55,700, potential intraday trading zone can be 55,450 and 56,150. Dips towards 55,460 and 55,200 can provide a better risk reward ratio for fresh longs, while intraday hurdles will be at around 55,900 and 56,150 levels, which can be looked for contra trading short bets, keeping a strict stop loss of 100 points. Overall, we have to play with the momentum, and the momentum remains buy on dip. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.